Hello friends, I'm Arav Dixit. Let me ask you a question. Imagine that you're being rescued by a black widow who's driving a helicopter and you're hanging from a 1 kilometer slinky. So right now, your weight mg is being exactly balanced by the spring force upwards. But suddenly, the slinky breaks loose from the helicopter. So what do you think will happen to you now? Option A. Will you and Slinky immediately start falling down? Option B. Will the Slinky start compressing and pull you upwards till it reaches maximum compression, and then will both you and the Slinky start falling downwards? Or option C. Will the top of the Slinky start moving downwards till the Slinky reaches maximum compression with you remaining stationary till then? Let's find out by doing an experiment. The slinky is 1.89 meter long in its stretch position. The tiny mass hanging at its end represents you. Let's see what happens when I release the top of the slinky. We'll watch it in slow motion at 480 frames per second. So it's option C. You'll remain at rest, suspended in air, as if nothing has happened to you, till the top of the slinky reaches you. From the video analysis, I found that the 1.89 meter long slinky took 0.327 seconds to collapse, which means the compression wave travels through the slinky at a speed of 5.8 meter per second. So if you were hanging from a 1 kilometer long slinky, it would take around 3 minutes for you to start falling and for the slinky to collapse. So you would have enough time to call up Iron Man and he can come easily and save you.